What up, y'all? Welcome back. Today we got a really nice care package sent from the homie Swank One over at graffgadgets.com. After I did a review of the Giga Cap adapter, we chopped it up a bit and he sent over this pack of stuff for me to mess around with. So let's go ahead and open this bug up and see what we got. Again, I want to say a huge thanks to Swank, and go check out graffgadgets.com for all these products and more. Just so you guys know, anytime somebody sends me any kind of products that does not influence my review on them, Swank did not ask me to review any of this stuff that he sent me. So just know that you're always getting my real opinion on anything I review. Straight up.
Jakes.
Murhaaja, joka haluaa tappamet kaikki.
Alright, nice. So the first thing that we got is the OG Stencil Pro Pack version 2. This comes with 6 different size stencil caps, a couple different thin tips, a pressure release tip, the 50/50 adapter, and some labels for the stencil caps. We'll definitely have some fun with these. Next, we got the Nylon Giga Cap FTO2 kit. These come with 1 round and 1 flat tip, and this updated kit includes the brass stinger. The nylon ones are a lot more lightweight, making them a lot easier to carry for bombing missions. Alright, the next thing we got are the female German thin caps, and these come with the stems and the boogers, so that you can use them on the Rusto cans and the regular female cans. Looks like a 10-pack. And of course we got the FTO1 brass Giga Cap full set. This has various size round and flat tips, and this updated one also comes with the brass stinger. So these are the brass stingers themselves. These are stem adapters that go from the 4mm to a standard female valve. They say that for best results to use it with the Giga Cap on high pressure cans. Next, we got these cool Lurkin toys. These are vinyl figures that come in 4 colors. This one is the Kills, white. They have a stencil and a tip that go with the legs. This other gold one is called Paid. There's also a Midnight Black and the Jungle Green. And they're just some cool collectibles that you can keep like this or possibly paint them. And lastly, we got a nice little stack of some stickers. A little message right here from the homie Swank. Hell yeah, that's what's up. Mahalo.
Murhaaja, joka haluaa tappamet kaikki.
Can't get enough of this gangsta shit. Can't get enough of this gangsta shit.
Hell yeah, man. Thanks again to Swank One for the hookup. Go check out graffgadgets.com and subscribe for the reviews on these products and much more. And remember, keep putting paint where it ain't. Peace.
Tappamet kaikki.